Hi, my name is Georgina. Obviously, well, I say obviously, I'm known as G. In 2021, I suffered with something called a brain bleed secondary from an AVM, which caused me to put into an induced coma. Once leaving that coma, my family, when they came to see me, they could see that I had strabismus in one of my eyes, so it turned in totally. And then they were very, very nervous of bringing this to my attention. But they remember, and I remember one day we went to the toilet and then I looked in the mirror and I had two sets of eyebrows and I was very aware I had double vision. So at that point, we just started to learn to work with it. We weren't sure if this was going to be something that could get fixed. I spent 3 months in London hospital, and my family originally from Leicester. So they wanted to move me into a rehabilitation centre back in Leicester. By this point, I had got so much better. Like I was paralyzed, so I was walking at this point, and my eye was my next thing that I wanted to get sorted because it was a physical. I'm going to call it an impediment. I don't even know if that's the right word, but it was like physically obvious that something was wrong with me. At this point, the NHS wasn't enough. I needed to get more, and I can't believe how quick it all was. I can't believe how sufficient it was that someone was able to tell me that we can change this. This is not impossible. Was the biggest breath of fresh air I have ever received. So I went for a consultation, and obviously he was very straight with what could and couldn't happen. So obviously I went through the surgery, which was amazing. Came out with the patch, had that on for about 24 hours, took it off, and my vision straight away was I could make a cup of tea. Like everything was single. I was getting up my stairs like a normal person, up and down the pavements. I was very, very conscious when I had double vision of walking next to a road, like because I wasn't sure if I was going to stand on the pavement or on the road and obviously get hit by a vehicle. Same with the tube. Like I'd never stand next to the train side just because it was I didn't trust my vision. And then when this all came back, I couldn't quite believe how I was living before. The difference was it was ridiculous. Like my spatial awareness, especially feeling safe again, was just the strangest feeling in the world. Like I felt safe. I think that's the biggest thing. I could get on with life by myself again and not have to rely on other people around me so much.